If you weren't in class on Block, you didn't install the Nimbus screenshot extension. So number one, make sure you're signed into Chrome. Make sure you're signed into Chrome and then go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the Chrome Web Store and you're going to want to search for extensions and you want to search for Nimbus screenshot. Nimbus screenshot. Add it to Chrome. It's going to come up with a pop-up. It's okay. Add extension. Now the problem is you're going to get this other tab that opens up and then every few days you're going to get that same tab open up just to remind you, hey, we've had an update. It's okay. So when this tab opens up to say, hey, we've had an update, just close it. And that's how you install Nimbus Screenshot. So how does it work? It works like this. Go to a web page, click on Nimbus, and you want to do a selected area. Then you're going to use the little crosshairs and grab and drag. Edit. There's a new warning. Blue done. There's another warning. Save as image, and you're going to save it to your downloads folder. Save as image, save it to your downloads folder, then you can always upload it to Google Classroom. Ask a neighbor for help if they were here on Block. Good luck.